Hey, what's up TCM? Today we're gonna be playing a game of stick with our boy, Hunter.
What up?
So you might remember him from the Parkour versus American Ninja Warrior. I'll leave a link down in the description below for you guys to check that out later. But we're basically out here checking out San Bernardino and trying to find some spots. And we came across this beautiful location here. So yeah, let's play a game of stick. And we think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Sick. So I got my mic now, but Hunter's gonna take the first jump because I lost in rock, paper, scissors. So he's gonna take the first jump. You gonna start off nasty like this?
No. So we're gonna just warm up, or I'm not trying to go crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th stair or the 2nd from the top, just standing.
Okay. Ooh. All right, sick. My jump. So just like you said, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go attack with my left foot, and then I'm gonna free the further center. So technically.
A little bit of movement. It counts though.
Okay, then?
Yeah, well, a little bit of movement on the planner,
gotcha.
but
Okay.
yeah, you're good.
Sweet. Easy stick, easy stick. You jump.
But what I'm gonna do is stride rail free.
All right, all right. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you with this warm-up jump over here.
Nice.
That's so much easier on those, on the grain going with you.
All this wood is very
Old.
weathered, but if you go from here, you use the wood to your advantage.
Easy. All right, mate, what you got?
Will I make my own set? I have a cutesy, little easy peasy. So you have to tack off of this.
That's quite slick.
On this wall, not this wall, or this wall, or this wall, right?
Okay, cool. I heard that squeaking so much.
All good. So what's nice about this set, I'll be kind on this one, is if you're a righty tacker,
I see. You can
do it.
over here?
You can do it over there where I did it. But if you're a lefty tacker,
Are you gonna
it's
let
the
me,
exact
are you gonna
same
be kind
setup.
today?
If you like to right foot tack it or
I mean,
left
it's
foot
up
tack
to you.
it,
It's your set.
you
want me
can
to
you can go on whichever side you want.
We're gonna be generous today then. I'm gonna go on my left.
All right. Oh, first letter.
I just went straight up.
Yeah, I almost did the same thing. First letter.
Dang it. All right. GG.
He brought it back in.
Are we counting that?
I would count it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's up to you.
Just going off of, official rules, I feel like that's fine.
Okay. So you can take off of whichever foot you want, but it has to be like a 1 foot.
Oh, I didn't catch that.
1 foot. Yeah, swing.
All right. What is this?
Skateboard wax.
And you to skateboard wax.
Is that it? I forgot. I didn't realize. Oh, so much better than mine.
I like
Yeah.
that 1 foot swing. I'm not used to that.
All right, buddy boy, you're set. That was good.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
This is our first time over at the San Bernardino City Hall, so we're just kind of exploring and playing stick. This is so dope. What the heck?
Very beautiful spot.
Are you about to hit this right now?
Yeah, this is a nice little rail tree that I want to make.
You're a man. All right, so question for you. Can I take off with 1 foot?
No, it has to be the 2 foot. I thought about that because when I was going with 2 feet, I wanted to do the 1 foot swing, and I chose not to.
Yeah, it's so small, like the 1 foot would be what I want to do.
Yeah, because you could just almost reach over and just light jump.
Right onto it, yep. Nope.
Wow. He didn't have to jump up. Instant replay. He just slipped right off.
I just slipped. Time to one of it. But I already got the so my ST. Nope. I'm really overpowering that like a lot.
So Dylan has found his next set.
So I have ST and he is letter free. So hopefully I can get him his first letter right now. All right, so I'm gonna go stride, 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 3. So left, right, left. I don't know if I can make it though. Again, it's our first time here.
Never tried this. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I had to get my feet to the horizontal rails, or horizontal wood here, to feel comfortable, and I was back here.
You was in the middle.
I'm gonna get you with the flip 3, watch.
Oh, okay. Oh, I like what we have over here.
Apparently we have something with major consequences. Hopefully I don't die. If it's major consequences, I'll probably just take a letter if you stick it. Oh, those are major consequences. Yeah, I'm good.
Well, my idea was from the rail to the wall. That's risky, but same consequences.
Yeah, same consequences. Although you have a bailout option here. If you overshoot it, or you can just jump all the way over.
So there's many bailouts, so we're not reckless. I want to definitely get that out.
He is. He's gonna double backflip.
No backflips.
Yeah, he's gonna do it like there, and then he's gonna double backflip off. He's gonna double backflip over onto the over the rails, onto the bricks. Yeah, Hunter's that good.
Try.
Oh yeah, just stick around. Yeah, Hunter, you got that double backflip, right? Yeah.
2 backflips consecutive. That's double backflip.
That's technically.
What I'm concerned with is just getting on this rail. It's still very slippery. My skate wax immunity can only go so far.
Oof.
But okay, so
is it like you need like a +6 skate wax immunity? You only have like a +4?
You can only use so much immunity.
Like per day? Oh, I gotcha. Like it rebuilds like stamina.
But I want to stand on this rail, and you just hop right over, land on this wall. You do have to start with both feet on this rail. I'm at like the balance.
Easy jump, easy jump.
Definitely see the fall when you stick the landing.
Oh, you're killing me, Hunter.
Getting up is the worst part.
Can I 1 foot jump in?
I did, yeah. We'll start establishing the rules beforehand. So since I didn't, yes, you can. But you do have to start with both feet on that rail.
This way?
That was established, yes.
Okay. Quick tap.
Beautiful. Nice. Oh, Mr. Steal Your Girl. Did you see what I mean though when you like stick the landing?
No, I
Eyes closed?
no, not eyes closed, but I was like, just don't look, we're good.
Yeah.
Like you stuck to the landing. All right, we're good, moving on. I'm gonna take the easy route. I'm gonna get a quick, easy letter here. Mostly because I've seen Hunter do these before.
He knows
I know his skill level.
Yeah, he knows his opponent.
There it is.
There we go.
I believe in you.
Definitely a bit of mistake. Actually, I don't like that, so.
I didn't even register that. I'm not. Or can I give you some pro advice, Hunter?
Land it.
Yeah, just don't fall.
Okay. Right here and not fall.
Oh, little travel. Yeah, that wasn't bad, right?
I am gonna try to get, even though I got the letter, my first letter. F for sticky clips.
That's not bad.
Way back.
Yeah.
Went from here to here.
It's your set.
S.
ST. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna side pre one of these on the next one. Always check your surfaces.
Alright, so just a nice little standing 2 foot.
2 foot. Yep.
2 foot standing 3. That's one.
Oh, easy stick. I got it.
Oh, nice. Feel a little bit more comfortable with my side. Oh, but freeze. We got to stick these. Oh, forgot about that part. Kong out shows no stick control.
I was almost there.
So I'm gonna set this, and then I'm not gonna be able to do it or even want to try. But I'm gonna get some Jesse the Flare inspired tech in here. I'm gonna go for the whole. take off the inside here.
Okay.
And then rail pre, the slippery rail. And if I stick it, he has to try. Oh,
Thank goodness.
done it.
That was
Come back for all of these.
that was close.
So here's what we got. We're going to go
To the inside.
step off the rail, step off this rail.
Not on the first set of wood.
All right,
That's kind of gross.
works. I think you just broke the wood, but you know.
I think I did just break the wood.
Check the footage. I don't think there was that crack
I don't
there.
think it was there either.
Now I don't want to proper stick that wall. No, the proper stick.
I mean, it's like we were talking about, right? Like I break the wood, you automatically get a letter, right?
Yeah, break your environment.
Don't break your environment, ladies and gentlemen. That's it.
American stick.
American stick, boy. All right, man, it's just set.
It's probably not gonna produce any fruit, so to speak, but I'm gonna try this thing again.
Ah, thank goodness. All right, as long as we're doing repeats.
Should we? Okay, so should there be a rule of only max two repeats?
Sure. If that's the
Catch
case,
a
then I'm gonna
sparrow.
do my side pregame here.
Yes, that is the case.
I count.
Did you hear what I heard?
Skid that I can't control from the dusty top.
Okay, so I'll let you call it. Because
Um,
if you say it's good, then I'll do it. And
I'll
then,
take it, and if you skid, we'll take it as well.
Okay.
Only because I want you to have letters as well.
Movement police would not do that.
Oh, that's ST, my guy.
So I'm gonna try your
Strides,
stride.
pre. It's pretty fat, dude.
We're gonna try to get big strides.
Easy, easy. Oh,
Be coming back for that one.
thank goodness. Here's my next one. We're gonna come over back to this thing in the sun, unfortunately. So check it out. I'm gonna run, and then I'm going to hurdle over this rail, and I'm gonna pre the wood. But hurdle over. Awkward. I also didn't think it's just I don't. Just again, for like the 90th time of this video. This is our first time here. So we're seeing all of these challenges, not trying them. This is just it.
Leave a comment every time we say first time here. He's out. He's out of there.
That was so scary. All right, I can get that. I'm gonna come back for that.
So glad I don't have to do that. I will be doing my one and only repeat on this challenge. Let's see what happens.
Oh. All right, so here's what I'm asking. Can I go in down the middle instead of down the side?
I felt like you're gonna say that, and I don't see how that gives an advantage. So yeah.
Because then it forces me to jump to the outer side.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Versus
doing,
cutting.
Straight away.
Yeah, versus cutting my jump a little bit shorter here. It'll force me to jump to the outside, so I have a definitive goal.
Yeah,
So that's fine?
That's fine.
All right.
That's what I was doing on the sides anyway. So yeah.
Oh
A lot of momentum to control. A lot of momentum. That was my first attempt.
All right, well, that's
Now it's
STI.
Oh,
It's my second try, right?
yes,
So-
is using both of our repeats. I really hope he doesn't make this. He had a chance to figure out the power to put into it. Now he will stick it. Oh, thank goodness.
I actually, first one felt weird, so I overpowered that one. I'm gonna go to STIC.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So,
Cut the vowels.
yeah, okay, so we'll cut the vowels and I'll just be STC. We should have cut the vowels. So we're gonna cut the vowels now. So I'm now at STC. Hunter's still at ST, so we're gonna be cutting this down. We're gonna play stick. Stick. No I. Since I'm on K, what are the rules for redemption?
You get 1 redemption. That's it.
All right.
If you miss it, you get 1 more try right after. No breaks, won't mean it.
Okay, so then if let's say I miss it and then I get it, do I get another redemption on the next jump that you set? Basically, it gives me 2 tries every single.
Always get a redemption. Yeah, I agree with that.
Okay, cool. Then those are the rules. All right, here we go. All right, so.
From that wall and then stick this piece of
All right,
wood.
so there's already a small crack here, but this isn't Hunter. We'll see if he cracks it after the jump.
It looks big enough that I can just put a lot of power into it and stick it, but I know that the landing wood and it can break if I put all that power into it.
There's also bricks underneath it. Like, it'll be fine. You'll just crack the wood like I've been doing. Oh man, that was like.
But I have a repeat on
that was
this
like
spot.
70% power.
I know. I have a repeat on this spot, so we'll.
All right.
2,
1, 2. Starting on the outside flanker.
Oh, nice.
So 1 foot down here.
Yes, I see. That's pretty big. I like it.
And then on the bricks, you place your foot where?
Anywhere in here, but only 1 foot.
Yeah, only 1.
Only 1 foot allowed. That's helpful.
I can make that.
I guess going back to my death drop.
Thank goodness. That looked painful.
Big, so it's clearly in range, but it's big.
That looks
commit.
extremely painful. All right, I'm gonna take back my second repeat.
We're gonna have to get creative and find new stuff to do.
Oh,
wow, same thing.
Yeah,
Got
I got
like
right
1
here.
foot on, 1 foot down.
I got 1. No, last time I hit both feet right here.
Oh, I meant same thing as what I just did over there.
Gotcha.
Let's do some exploration. Come on over here. We've only shown you so much of this spot.
I'm telling you now, if you do that descent stick, I'm taking the letter.
Okay.
No, I mean, you could do it and you'll just end the game. I don't know. Descents are weird, man. So. It's such an easy one.
No, look down here.
Okay.
We got a much safer, nicer, better,
Okay.
but it's just as much of a descent as any descent.
I
Which is dangerous.
I will take it. From this wall down here, how I did that first one, I'm gonna go from here down to plyo to the middle one, and that'll be my next jump. And then you see this corner here?
Yeah.
On the outside of the corner. American stick! Yeah!
All right, we could even the playing field right now. We're pretty close. I'm only 2 letters away. You're 1 letter away.
Oh, easy.